Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best fitness tips and workouts to help you achieve your goals. Today we're diving deep into the world of glute gains, focusing on mastering the perfect squat. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, understanding the mechanics of the perfect squat is crucial for targeting those glute muscles effectively. Get ready to sculpt those glutes and build strength like never before. 1. The importance of the perfect squat. Before we dive into the specifics, let's discuss why the perfect squat is essential for achieving maximum glute gains. The squat is a compound exercise that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, with a primary focus on the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Mastering this movement not only helps in building strength, but also enhances overall lower body stability and mobility. Incorporating squats into your workout routine can lead to significant improvements in muscle definition and tone. Whether your goal is to increase strength, improve athletic performance, or enhance aesthetics, the perfect squat is a must-have in your arsenal. 2. Perfecting your form. Now that we understand the importance of squats, let's break down the key components of perfecting your form. First, ensure your feet are shoulder-width apart, with toes slightly pointed outward. As you initiate the movement, focus on pushing your hips back, as if sitting into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up and spine neutral throughout the motion. Avoid common mistakes like letting your knees cave in or shifting your weight onto your toes. Maintaining proper alignment is crucial for targeting the glutes effectively and reducing the risk of injury. Practice proper form with bodyweight squats before progressing to weighted variations. Remember, quality trumps quantity when it comes to squats. Focus on executing each rep with precision to maximize results. 3. Adding variations for intensity. Once you've mastered the basic squat, it's time to level up with variations to challenge your glutes even further. Experiment with variations like goblet squats, sumo squats, and Bulgarian split squats to target different angles of the glutes and thighs. These variations not only add variety to your routine, but also help in overcoming plateaus and stimulating muscle growth. Don't be afraid to push yourself out of your comfort zone and try new variations. Remember, progression is key to continuous growth and improvement. 4. Incorporating squats into your routine. Now that you've mastered the perfect squat and its variations, let's discuss how to incorporate them into your workout routine for maximum effectiveness. Aim to include squats in your lower body workout routine at least 2-3 times per week. Start with a proper warm-up to prepare your muscles for the demands ahead. Then perform 3-4 sets of squats with 8-12 repetitions per set. You can customize your squat routine by adjusting the intensity, volume, and equipment used based on your fitness level and goals. Whether you prefer traditional barbell squats or bodyweight variations, the key is consistency and progressive overload. 5. The importance of recovery. Last but not least, don't forget the importance of recovery in your fitness journey. Allow adequate time for rest and recovery between squat sessions to prevent overtraining and promote muscle repair and growth. Incorporate recovery techniques like foam rolling, stretching, and proper nutrition to support your gains and enhance recovery. Remember, building strong and shapely glutes is not just about the work you put in at the gym, but also the care you give your body outside of it. And there you have it, your guide to mastering the perfect squat for ultimate glute gains. Incorporate these tips and techniques into your routine and watch as your lower body transforms before your eyes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Together, we'll crush our goals and unlock the true potential of our bodies. Until next time, keep squatting, keep striving, and keep shining.